Alright, it's the next day. We about to go pick up Antonio and then head to the beach. Beach ready. Hello, doing it for the vlog. And this cat. What is your problem, cat? Like seriously, man. What is your problem, cat? Dang. Beach ready. About to, you know what I'm saying, brushing the teeth. Vlog boy Antonio here. What up, boy? What you gotta say?
Man, I almost threw up.
on the plane? Nigga, you and me both, nigga. You and me both. You and me both.
Vlog world. We about to run out of gas, and Alante don't never want to give me no cash. You feel me? That's that bull crap, man. What's going on, man? Hey, how you doing? Alright, vlog world. So we on the bridge, almost to the beach. It's a boat passing by the bridge. So they got the roads up or the bridge up. Vlog world, so we down here walking around taking pictures and stuff. It's extremely windy, so I don't know if the audio is gonna be that great, but yeah, we just walking around just chilling, boy, chilling. Yeah. Be here. Hello. That was a fun little time at the beach, vlog bro. That was fun. And Antonio keep having to pee. I don't know what's wrong with this guy.
I got this orange juice. This is the only thing in my body.
He got the sauce. Alright, vlog world. I just realized I didn't sign off, so this is me signing off now. We in Key West, chilling and stuff.
But this trip just really, you know, it's inspired me to travel more. So I hope everybody that watch my vlogs travel more. Subscribe to me if you're not subscribed, and just share my videos so I can keep doing this for you guys. You feel me? Bullet.